the Marvel Universe Eternals has been shown in Indonesia cinema starting 10 November 2021 with a rating for age 30 and over. This film has been cleaned of all scenes deemed unfit for broadcast by the Institute Film Censorship of Republik Indonesia. The issue of censorship has indeed become a matter of concern for Marvel fans in Indonesia. Before Eternals were released in theaters around the world, Chloe Zhao, as the director, had also warned about the scenes that might be subject to censorship in various countries. One thing that caught his attention was the intimate scenes of the character Pastos, played by Brian Tyree Henry, who was thought a homosexual and Eternals.
Kolzav admitted in an interview with IndieWire that there was an agreement between him as a director and Marvel as filmmaking studio to maintain intimate scenes in Eternals, not only about homosexual relationships but also heterosexual relationships that occur between Cersei, played by Gemma Chan, and Ikaris, played by Richard Madden. Kolzau then emphasized that the story about Festus being gay in Eternals was already in the story before he was invited to direct the Marvel Cinematic Universe film. All intimate scenes in Eternals actually want to depict immortal beings on Earth who are not human but have human instincts. Story-wise, the intimate scenes that occur between the characters make sense to be shown.
The story of Vartos in Eternals shows a person only sees humanity as a big concept and believes that technology can help them solve problems. But then he loses that belief because of the bad things humans do. He then chooses to stop seeing humans as whole and falling in love with another human being, having one child, and finally having something worth to fight for, said Clouseau. In the course of the story, Eternals implies the desire of these immortals to be able to feel life like humans in general, because they are immortals and their age doesn't increase. The Eternals have lived for 1,000 of years on Earth, and in the present, they are facing a crisis and are in a situation between life and death.
On Indonesian cinema screen, Clay Zhao's vision of depicting the human side of the Eternal must be censored. Eternal received an R30 rating by LSVRI so that intimate scan including sex and kissing scan. In Eternal, there are male and female as well as male and male, are deemed inappropriate for viewers who are at least 30 years old. Not only that, the scan of one of the Eternal characters raising their middle finger is also blurred on the screen.
The censored scenes are part of the story concept and cinematography that has been well prepared and packaged before being aired. The audio and visual display has been stitched to perfection. But unfortunately, because some dangerous scenes had to be timed down, there was a very broken impression both visually and sound when watching Eternals. For us to be able to show to people who love each other, not only emotionally and intellectually but also physically, and to have sex scenes that many people will see in an image of love, affection, and tenderness. I think that what it is very beautiful thing, said Clouseau. Too bad the censorship make it not as beautiful as the direction vision.